Today, let me introduce how the recovery system works. Well, it's my pleasure to show you details about the control display. Turn on the machine by pressing the key. Here is time setting. It's adjusted from 1 minute to 99 minutes. Shorter press to detector or add 1 minute each time. Extending pressing to set wanted time quickly. Today, let's make it 30 minutes. Here is the pressure setting. It has 8 levels from 30 mmHg to 240 mmHg. Later we will enjoy 108 mmHg, so let's make it. Here is the position setting. It has 4 trombones, or we can call it 4 domes. If we want to focus on specific area like feet, we can make it through closing other trombones to make their light off. In this way, you will focus on feet area where other area won't work. Later we will enjoy full leg compression massage. So let's make all trombones with that on. Here are optional 6 programs: A, B, C, D, E, F. Later we will enjoy D program. Now let's start. The program D, we are enjoying the compression and decompression massage for 4 legs simultaneously, an alternating rhythm of inflation and deflation in the sleeves, compressing the muscles to aid in the removal of excess fluid from the tissues as in a massage treatment. Stimulating lymph drainage made it easy. Relax, detoxify, and let the recovery system do the work. It provides rapid recovery for muscles. Besides, it brings many benefits such as improving blood circulation, reducing swelling of legs, and so on. Goes by serve a session of massage treatment. For heavy legs seem to be lighter match. That's all. Many thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.